Real-time bidding, or RTB, is the buying and selling of online ad impressions through real-time auctions that occur in the time it takes a web page or an app to load. So we had talked about all of those different demand partners, or DSPs, exchanges, and networks, and behind them they're tied into hundreds, if not thousands, of different advertisers. These advertisers have specific interests, budgets, needs, which all vary slightly. So given the ad placement, what app it's on or what website it's on, who's using it, what time of the day, where they are, what kind of content is around, etc., etc., these advertisers will say, I'm interested in that, and I'm willing to make a bid for it, and here's how much that audience is worth to me. Just like any other auction, you say that particular piece, be it a car or a piece of art or anything up for sale, has different value to different people at different times. So to illustrate this, let's say we have our app here, app content, we have our same ad unit, and on the right we have 4 advertisers that potentially could buy this inventory. Those 4 advertisers are going to look for certain key metrics to decide if they even want to make a bid at all, and then how much they'd be willing to pay. The first thing they look for is location, be that GPS or lat long. Knowing exactly where that user is, especially in a mobile environment, is incredibly valuable information. They would like to know the age of that person and the gender to make sure that it fits with their target audience. And then they definitely want to know the content. In this situation, the app content could be the same thing for a website. You want to make sure that it's brand safe, it's appropriate content, and that it's relevant to their brand. For example, Nike would probably be interested in advertising around sports content, but probably not around things for maybe children or anything maybe alcohol related. So in this particular situation, this app can pass location data, and they can share what type of content the app is serving. However, they can't serve age and they can't serve gender. Now, when they can't do that, it's usually because a user has said, I'm not going to share that information with you. Therefore, if the app doesn't get it, they can't pass that information along to the advertiser. So in this situation, given that age and gender are out, Nike and McDonald's will say, we're out. For that reason, I am out. Don't even want to make a bid. However, Coca-Cola and Uber say, yes, that content meets my guidelines and the location meets my guidelines. I'm willing to make a bid and try to win this ad. So they both make a bid, and Coca-Cola bids $1.50 and Uber bids $1.25. In this situation, Coca-Cola has won more and they win the auction. That is the real-time bidding transaction that takes place in milliseconds, billions of times every single day, and is really the heart of programmatic advertising.